In the business report, NCB Financial Group Limited has declared a dividend of 50 cents per share, payable on September 16, 2024, to shareholders on record as at September 2, 2024. The ex-dividend date is September 2, 2024. Jamaican-based regional investment group Proven subsidiary, Proven Properties, is focused on completing two major development projects, Soul Harbor in Ocho Rios and Bahari in Runaway Bay, Jamaica. Both of these developments are expected to be finished in the 2025-2026 financial year. The division is also expanding its industrial real estate portfolio with the Ashgo warehouses in Grand Cayman and planned Kingston Gateway warehouses in Jamaica. Over to Denise Williams for the movements on Jamaica's stock exchange.
During the trading period for August 19, 2024, the following companies represent the top three most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Private equity firm MFS Capital Partners Limited with 84,815,118 units represented 83.7% of the market value in terms of sales. Online education platform Edufocal Limited with 4,517,073 units represented 4.46% of the market value in terms of sales. Alternative energy provider Wigton Wind Farm Limited ordinary shares with 1,819,754 units represented 1.80% of the market value in terms of sales. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies on the stock market, we turn to the Forex market. On August 19, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $58.38 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $49.97 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $157.99 and bought the US dollar for $156.14. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.85, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $4.95 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold for $116.24 and bought for $111.29. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $4.90, selling it for $201.64 and buying it for $196.74. For the credit report tip of the day, we look at bundling your auto loan and mortgage if you're in the market to buy with your bank, which can be a smart financial strategy which offers benefits such as lower interest rates, simplified payments, and maybe perks depending on your bank. However, your credit score plays a crucial role in determining the success and advantages of such bundling. So with a solid credit score, you can consolidate your loans under one institution, simplifying your payment process. This reduces the hassle of managing multiple due dates and payments and making your financial life much more manageable.